Hello, so today our group will be presenting about computer networking and I will begin with the introduction. Firstly, computer networking is the practice of connecting computers and other devices to share data, resources, and communication using hardware, software, and protocols to ensure efficient and secure information exchange. Next, networks can be grouped in three ways. First is by geographical area. For example, LAN is for small areas like homes or offices. MAN covers a city, and WAN spans large areas like country. There are also others like PAN, CAN, SAN, and SD-WAN, and also cloud networking. Next is by transmission medium. Networks can be wired using cables or wireless using signals like Wi-Fi. Third is by communication type, which are multi-point, point-to-point broadcast, and VPN. Moving on to my next content is network topology. Network topology is used to describe the physical and logical structure of a network. There are six types of network topology, which are bus topology, ring topology, star topology, mesh topology, hybrid topology, and tree topology.
So, wireless network allow devices such as phone, laptop, or tablet to connect to internet without cables. Instead of wires, they use radio wave or infrared signals to transfer data. And a computer network is a system where two or more computer or any other devices are connected together to share resources like files, printers, or internet and communication with each other. So the importance of wireless network is mobility and convenience, where user can move around freely while staying connected, easy access and flexibility, where there is no need for long cables, and suitable for places where laying cables is difficult. Access to information anywhere, where students, workers, and business can access cloud storage, online learning, and resources anytime. And lastly, it supports multiple devices, where phones, laptops, tablets, printers, or even smart devices can connect it at the same time. So let's move on. Mobile networks allow communication over a wide area using cellular towers as they provide mobile data and voice call. Unlike Wi-Fi that is limited to a certain range, mobile network covers cities, countries, and even globally. And as you can see in the table, we have 3G, 4G, and 5G, where 3G is lower internet that used mostly for calls and messaging, 5G with fast internet for streaming and online gaming, lastly 5G much faster speed and low delay, where we always use it in IoT, smart cars, AR, or VR. So the importance of mobile network is global connectivity when you can call anyone anywhere, internet access even without Wi-Fi, support technologies such as online banking, ride apps, and e-commerce, and lastly, mobility where you can stay connected while traveling.
Hi, my name is Putri Era Najwa and I'm from HPY. So today I'm going to talk about networking models portfolios. This one is OC model 7 layer, which is we call it as open system interconnection. So this model is conceptual framework used to understand and standardize how different networking protocols interact in a layered architecture. Okay, next. So basically, we know that there are 7 layers of the OSI model. So number one, physical layer, which is deals with hardware transmissions of raw data like cables or switches. Number two, data link layer. And number three, network layer for handles logical addressings and routing of data. Number four, transport layer, which is provide reliable data transfer and error checking. Number five, session layer, to manage sessions and connection between applications. Number six, presentation layer to translate data formats, encryptions or compressions. And number seven, application layer, which is provide service for an end user application like HTTP, FTP, and SMTP. Okay, next I'm going to talk about TCP or IP model for layers, which is we call as transmission control protocol or internet protocol. So this model is basically a more practical model used in a real world networking, forming the foundations of the error-free transfer between two directly connected nodes. So guys, the four layers of the TCP or IP model are first, network interface layer, which is equivalent to OSI physical and data link layers. Number two, internet layer, responsible for logical addressing and routing, IP protocol. Number three, transport layer, provides reliable or unreliable data delivery. And number four, application layer, for OSI sessions, presentations, and application layers like HTTP, FTP, and DNS.